I think being part of Milan Design Week, it's an ending point but also a starting point.
We very much reflected on how we create the interiors or exteriors also for animals.
What a better way to end a feud with the species than to invite them to dinner?
We try to ask ourselves, if the dogs want to communicate, how we can make this happen.
It's probably the animal with the closest relationships to humans, but they're still not represented enough in interior architecture.
The rat will come first, so we'll eat the bread, and then the table will actually stay inside the home.
We've been working on this project for about 6 months, and seeing the reaction of thousands of people is very special.